Hi guys, today we will explain about how to change image into GIF using Clipchamp. This process is really simple and easy. The first thing is open your application and open up project. The next thing you have to do is import your image which you want to turn into a GIF. As you can see, I already do all these things. The next thing is I will tap on this plus icon to add this in my timeline, and now the image has been added in my timeline. And as you can see, the image duration is for 4 seconds. If I will export this, it will be as a video, not as a GIF. So the only thing is tap on the option export, and on the last you can see the option of GIF. And for videos, they should be less than 15 seconds. But it's an image, so it will not apply on this image. So for turning it into a GIF, just click on this option, and now you can see it has been exported. Now if I open this, it will be as a GIF, and here you can see the file name GIF, and it was the way by which you can change your image into GIF using Clipchamp.